Hi there, this is Tamadoris and this is Cody. And today we're going to talk a little bit about the brain and kind of has to do with animal instinct. So, our mind, which really kind of takes place in the prefrontal cortex, is what gives us the ability to have a goal, have an idea, know something that we want to do. But what happens, and what I see all the time, especially with the agents that I coach, is that our habits get in the way. Our fears, our habits. Well, you know what? That's your biology. That's the same instinct that will make Cody just go crazy over a treat because it's his animal instinct. And this all occurs in the limbic brain. So let's just say that you really plan on calling a lot of your clients and making contact, but something happens and then you just don't feel like it. Well, the part of you not feeling like it is your biology. Maybe it's cortisol. Maybe it's something that's going through your system that's telling you, no, it's better to go have a glass of wine and go have, I don't know, cheeseburgers or something like that. So your biology is your brain, but it's not your destiny. So here's why it happens. Our brains are designed to help us survive. Our brains are designed so that we avoid fear and we avoid anything that threatens our survival. And so it may seem silly to say that I don't know, calling a client that you don't want to call that scares you. It may seem silly to say that your brain thinks it may not survive if it gets rejected, but that's kind of what happens. So the good news is, through something called neuroplasticity, we have the ability to use our mind, to use our prefrontal cortex where we have choices and we're creative and we use imagination. We can use that portion of our mind to kind of rewire the brain. And so then you can put what's on autopilot now that's holding you back from your goals, you can put on autopilot things that take you towards your goals. So just imagine how awesome life can be if you are both consciously and subconsciously working towards what you want in life. In other words, you're not just saying, oh, I really want to be successful, but then going home and drinking yourself silly or not calling contacts or whatever the case might be. So ultimately, what you want to do is you want to correct the biology in your brain so that it's on board with the ideas and intentions and goals in your mind. Does that make sense? So again, that's called neuroplasticity. Visit my website, tamadoris.com, and let's talk more about it. Cody, do you want to say bye-bye? Look at those paws. He's going to be a monster. Have a great day.